Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Exemnis and I'm glad to have you here. Oh, there's one of those famous camera bumps. Guys, I just got back from picking up this package from the FedEx store. They apparently weren't able to deliver it to my house because I had to sign for it and I work all day, so that was no good. Things I quickly want to note on the box are that it was crushed at one point. That doesn't look too good. It seems to be hastily packaged. And yeah, not so great, not good looking. But it's not about the box that it comes in, it's about what's inside. So let's go ahead and get started by looking at that, shall we? Guys, from the title you can probably tell that this is the Pixel 4 unboxing, and so that's why the damage actually concerns me. As we continue to open up the package, it gets more and more concerning, because that corner that's crushed is the corner that the phone is in. So please work. So there is the phone itself. In the case, I got the orange one. And it's in a little bag, and it slides out. Da, 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 da. And then they have a little bit of marketing for their Project Fi network. But this is what we're looking for, guys, is the Pixel 4 itself. So on the front it has a picture of the phone and what color that you're purchasing, I guess, what it is, the Google's Pixel 4, excuse me. And it's got a side view, although it doesn't have, I guess it does have the back view on the front instead of seeing the screen, which, interesting, I guess. Bunch of information on the bottom that you don't really need to know about, and just Google on the side. So it's got some easy pull tabs, so we'll get rid of those guys, and then it should just slide open. And there it is, guys, the Pixel 4 itself. Oof. Also in the box we have all of the documentation that went flying out, but I guess that's okay. We have a Type-C to Type-C cable. We have the separator. We have a Type-C to Type-A adapter. And a power brick that is roughly the same size as my old one. Yes, the same size as my original Pixel one, so they've been using that. And that is everything you get inside the box. But what the biggest point is the phone, right? So let us pull off all of this plastic, huh? So the screen protector that comes with the phone is attached to the plastic, which is actually really kind of cool. And the phone itself has nice rounded edges. It feels really good in the hand. This is the straight up Pixel 4, not the Pixel 4 XL. And yeah, it's got a good feel to it. The back doesn't feel like glass. It doesn't feel like plastic. It's got this like rubbery texture to it. It kind of grips your hand really well. I'm excited for this. So let's, quit messing around and whatnot. So that's just regular boot up screen. And it's a great looking phone. I'm super excited about this, guys. You probably can't tell because I don't have anything else to say, but it is what it is. So that is the unboxing of Google's new Pixel 4 phone. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up so that way other people can see the unboxing of Google's new Pixel 4 device. And if you thought it was dumb, or if I need to do better at these unboxings, go ahead and give it a thumbs down. And comment down below what you think I need to do in order, or need to change in order to make these better. Other than that, if you haven't hit the subscribe button just yet, go ahead and do that so you can see my review of the Pixel 4 in a week or two from now. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next one.